Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use coin or points to unlock webcomic on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the webcomic app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, find the comic series you want to read. Paid chapters usually have a lock icon or show the number of coin points need to unlock. Tap on the chapter. Click here. You will see a locked chapter. Tap on it. The app will show you an unlock screen with options to use coin, points or purchase mode. Select use coin or use point to unlock the chapter. Confirm your choice when the app asks. If you don't see the option, webcomic app doesn't use coin or points to at all on iPhone. Instead, they usually handle paid chapters through in-app purchase only. That means on many apps, locked chapter can only be unlocked by paying directly with Apple ID, pay credit card or app store balance. There is no separate points or coins system, so you won't see any option for them. And that's it. That's how you can unlock paid comics on webcomic from your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.